Welcome to this video on question number 3, October-November 15, paper 4-3, which is a request of Subhan. And let's just get started. There is a diagram we have shown, and it's a water trough in the shape of a prism. And they have given us the markings, the lengths and the heights. The cross section of this prism is a trapezium. Very important point. And the trapezium has parallel sides of length 35 centimeter and 25 centimeter and a perpendicular height of 12 centimeter. The length of the prism is 120 centimeter. Part A, we have to calculate the volume of the trough. So okay, so let's start with the when we have a shape and it continues along the way, this is the front side of the shape, and this front side is continued all along the shape. So all we have to do is find the area of the front side, or the cross-sectional area of the front side, and then we multiply it by the length it's going throughout the same figure. Okay, so we'll find the area of this and multiply with this length. We will eventually calculate the volume. Okay, now to this part is the trapezium as mentioned in the question. So okay, so we'll find the area of the trapezium in part A. So and then we will multiply with this value to get the volume. Okay, so the area of trapezium is half. So in fact the volume I will calculate directly. The volume first is part is the area, so area is half times the two parallel sides. We have to add them, the two parallel sides. This is the one parallel side, the other parallel side. These sides are not parallel in the trapezium. Okay, so it's 25 plus 35, 25 plus 35 multiplied by how far these two parallel sides are. They are far by 12 centimeters, isn't it? So by 12, this is my formula for the area. If I multiply it with 120, the whole length, I will get the volume. Okay, so this will give us let me calculate, 43200. okay, centimeter cubed. Part B, the trough contains water to a depth of 6 centimeter. Show that the volume of water is 19800. So we just have to calculate the volume. Okay, and we'll eventually reach this value. Okay, let's not think about it now. So this time we are calculating for the water which is up to this level, isn't it? So again it's exactly the same. However, this time you will say, oh, I don't have this length, and you might think, okay, how so? All in this question is you have to find this length. Once you find this length, it will be exactly the same as part A. That's why there are only a few marks. How many marks are there? There are 2 marks, just that's why. So the logic here is that if I increase the height by 12 centimeter, the width went more by 10 centimeter from 25 to 35. What if I increase the height by only 6? Okay, for 12 it was 10, so for 6 it will be just 5. Okay, or you can say like that, let me say the length, or the length and the width. If I increase the length by 12 centimeter, the width went up by 10 centimeter. What if I just increase it by 6? So how much the width will increase is x. So cross multiply and you will eventually get it is what do we call it, 5. That's how you can get. So it will increase by 5. Okay, first it increased by 10, so it becomes 35. This will increase by 5. This length will increase by 5. It will become 30. Okay, so my new formula for volume this time will be equals to half A plus B. This time 25. The other length we calculated was, the other parallel side was 30, times this time the distance between the two parallel side was 6. And then throughout the length we multiply, it will be 120, and you will get finally 19800 centimeter cubed. Okay, let me see part 2 of B. Calculate the percentage of the trough that contains water. So it's just how much of water it contains out of the whole container. Okay, so it was pretty simple. That's why they have just 1 mark. So 19800 out of the whole 3200, and they want as a percentage, so that's why I'll multiply it by 100. And even if you got your part A wrong, you can still use this value, and you can use the value of your part A, you will still get the 1 mark. Okay, so if you calculate this, you will get 45.8%. Let me see part C then. The water is drained from a trough that at a rate of 12 liters per hour. Calculate the time it takes to empty the trough. Give your answer in hours and minutes. Okay, so before we start, you know, our values are in centimeter cube, right? And this is in liters. So first of all, you need to know the conversion of liters into centimeter, right? So to convert liter into centimeter, we multiply it by 1000. So if I have centimeter cube and the other one I have in minutes, let me say in minutes, because to convert from minutes to hour, I find it easier. Oh, you can use still hours here, but I'll personally use minutes. Okay, even if you use hours, you'll get the same answer, don't worry about that. So I have 12,000 of liters converted into centimeter. Just multiply by 1000. And what about minutes? They said per hour, so in 1 hour I have 60 minutes. So okay, if you have written here hour, you will write here 1. Okay, and if you have written here liter, you will write here 12. So but we will keep the conversion consistent and we'll get exactly the same answer, don't worry about that. So okay, so calculate the time it takes to empty the trough. So how many liters do we have? So in 60 minutes we can clear this much, but how many water we have, we already calculated. It was 19800, and here I will write x. Okay, again I will do the cross multiplication. What I will have is 1200x is equals to 60 times 19800. My final step will be equals to x is equals to 60 times 19800 over 12000, and you will get which is equals to 99. Okay, now this is minutes because my x is under minutes. Yeah, so I know if I just deduct 1 hour, it's 60 minutes, so that's my 1 hour gone, and the remaining is 39 minutes. So 1 hour and oh, what's wrong with the 1? So it's 1 hour gone, and the remaining minutes are 39 minutes. Okay, so 4 marks. Yeah. Part D. The water of the trough just fills a cylinder of radius r centimeter and height 3 r centimeter. Calculate the value of r. So this, okay, they have used the water, and we know what do we know about the water? All we know is the volume. So that's what we have to use to in this question. Okay, so you know, we have what is a cylinder. This is something like a cylinder. It's not exactly a cylinder, yeah, but just let's assume it, right? Okay, anyways, this is what they mean. This length is 3r. This is, so what is the volume of the cylinder is, it's pi r squared times its height. This time my height is 3r. Yeah, so this is the volume formula for the volume of the cylinder, and they have used exactly the same volume, and it has filled the cylinder completely. So the volume of the cylinder is equals to the volume which we had of the water. So this volume is equals to 19800. Let me just and in this formula, r is the subject of the formula, right? So yeah, let me just finish my working, just a simple algebra now. So r times r is r cubed, so I have now 3r cubed pi is equals to 19800. Let me continue it here. What I will have is r cubed is equals to 19800 over 3 pi. They were being multiplied, here they will be divided. Yeah, and final step will be r is equals to 19800 over 3 pi. Now there are two ways, either you can say 1 over 3, or you can use that cube root sign. You will get exactly the same answer. Okay, don't worry about that. Anyway, anyone you will use, you'll get the same answer, and I think you will get 12.8. yeah, 12.8 to 3 significant figure. It was, I think, 12.807 and something. Yeah, so you can say this is your final answer in 3 significant figures. Final part is part E. The cylinder has a mass of this much. The water has okay, they have given you the conversion. Thank you very much. calculate the total mass of the cylinder plus the water. Okay, that seems pretty simple for 2 marks. Give your answer in kg. Fine. So the mass of water mass was equals to, okay, let me say mass. Okay, mass of water was equals to 19800 centimeter cube, and every centimeter cube is 1 gram, so it's no need to convert this one. And the mass of a cylinder, is equals to 1.2 kilogram. In grams, I will just multiply it by 1000. Make sure you are good at your conversions, they will always help you in the exam. Okay, so the total gram I will get is 21000, and I will go back into kg, so I will divide it by 1000, to get my kg. Yeah, to get my kg, so I will get 21 kg. Even if you have used kg directly from here, you will end up with the same answer, but I always I personally use the the smaller units, so I just find it easier. Okay, thanks for watching.